like CAT 23 is done, what were the highest scores in CAT 23? Right. My name is Patrick. Been training students for more than 20 years in last CAT. So 6 times CAT 100%. So if you look at the highest score, raw score was 158 this year, the highest raw score. Okay, and that in CAT 22, the highest raw score was 162. So normally what happens, the toppers, their scores don't change by much. Even if this paper is a little tougher or easier, they tend to solve almost all the questions. So therefore, if you look at the highest score, 158, 162. Highest scale score this year was 166.06. In CAT 22 it was something around 165 point something. So that's the scale score, highest, so approximately the same scale score. The surprising thing is in 100 percentile, the scores range from almost 125 to 166.06. Huge range. I mean, the last person who got 100 percentile was somewhere in late 120s, so somewhere 125, 126, approximately this is. But the highest guy is 166.06. Almost 14 people in this score. 99.99, there are almost 29 people in this score. From 118 to 125. That's a range of people who got this score. And same in 99.98, it ranged from 113 to 118, approximately. So that means if I look at purely 99.98 and the highest score ranges from 113 to 166. I mean, 53 marks, just 0.02 percentile. Just to understand the highest scores, when you're trying to target, I mean, if you're targeting really 100 percentile, you really need to look at trying to solve a lot of questions, which means you need to be fundamentally good in all the areas, and not only fundamentally good, but need to have a right approach to solve it so that you can solve it faster. And that is the key to cracking the CAT. Anyway, this is just to give you a highest idea of the highest score. Anyone who's aiming for the highest score, please do so and aim for it, prepare for it accordingly. Thank you.